Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the first movie of a new series, Yard Finds. It's so popular with all the garage finds and barn finds. So I thought, since I have a lot of cars in my yard finds. So if you ever wonder how it looks when a car stands outside for a couple of years to the elements, and also we have a very harsh and wet and mild winters. That's why I think you see a lot of the moss and the green is covered on this E39 M Sport. So this is something you don't see every day. You even have moss growing around the window trim. I can try to peel it off and see. Yeah. So we need to clean that off as well. The car is just a standard M Sport. I think it's a car you don't have in America. It's a 520. It's a 2.2 liter, 170 horsepower. So not the most exciting car, but it's an M Sport nevertheless. So, but as you can see, there's the moss. Also, you can see there's starting to have some issues you probably don't have in California. But this is actually called rust. And even the taillights are covered. So I think it will be very satisfying to wash this car. We can have a look under the hood. If the engine compartment matches the outside, it's probably disgusting as well. Let me see. Oh, exactly. So here you're typical when the leaves are decomposing and all the drain channels and so on is clogged up, then you get a water leak inside the car. So we need to definitely get that out of the way. Also do a little engine wash. Actually, it doesn't look like it's been washed up in here for many years. So anyway, let's start. We have a lot of ATPL products. Even moss under here. Awesome. Well, we need to get out our ATPL products and we can start the washing process. Satisfying start in 3, 2, 1. cleaned off the roughest part, all the green debris and mold and so on. Turned out pretty nice. Almost like a new car. But hopefully it will be looking even better after I've been washing it by bucket. Before now I've just used the foam cannon and various degreasers and so on. I haven't actually touched the paint yet, so off to the buckets. Okay, car is washed and everything's okay, so then we just use ATVL's fantastic drying towel. I don't know the name of it, but it gets the job done. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video. This E39 is a car I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I'm going to sell it, maybe I'm going to fix it up and you have it for myself. Like I need more E39s. Or I'm just going to use it as a parts car. The car is an M Sport, so there's a lot of parts on this car that I could use on other cars. But on the other side, the car is very nice, so maybe I should keep it, I don't know. I don't have any urgent plans with this E39. So that's really why I just washed it, see how bad it is. And it wasn't too bad, of course, some rust issues and so on, but compared to other E39s in Norway, not the worst car I've seen. So please leave a comment if you have any suggestions what we are going to do with this car. And maybe we will have it in an upcoming video for this channel. And also, thank you for the support. Please remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribing. Also like this video and put on the notification so you will see next time I upload. Stay safe until next time guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!